we're gonna play LBSG. Oh, sorry, Livebot SG. And here's my brother, and he's going crazy. So let's go.
Let's go.
By the way, I changed my skin, and it's Flamebot, and that's the last time. Let's join SG2. Join it.
Okay.
What are you, dude? Go fast. I joined the match.
Join.
Oh, saw you. You're next to me. Let's team up. I think you're... Oh. Okay. Did you saw me? Okay. After 1 minute and 30 seconds, will match begin. Okay, let's wait. I'm so excited.
Someone wrote let's team.
Let's team. Never mind. I and you will team up.
1 minute.
Me and you.
Then it will start.
Okay, bro. Let's team up.
Let's team, dude. Or think let's team. Tag team up.
Never mind. Only me and you. Only me and you. You. Yeah.
Person plays here because the person is still.
Nah. Wait. Never. Dude. Did you?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay, I'm so ready.
Look at me.
I'm there.
Oh.
Did you see me? Did you show me? Did you show me? Did you show me?
Yes.
Did you show me? Did you show me? Okay, let's
Look
go.
at me.
Oh my gosh. Don't do it again. Okay, take this. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Ah, I'm gonna destroy everybody. Take this. Big potato. And take. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna wear that. I'm going. Follow me.
Go.
Oh, invisibility left.
Let's take this one.
I'm gonna kill that woman. I'm gonna
go.
kill.
Where are you?
Die. Oh, still invisibility, but I'm gonna stay with her. Okay, I'm not no longer. Ah! I'm gonna die. Did I just die?
There's many more.
I just died. And there's some glitch.
I'm getting back.
I'm getting back. Ah!
Someone have
Other.
diamond tags. Where are you?
There's a glitch. Get back.
Where is the armor?
I'll get out and come in. I'll get out and come in. Get inside. What just happened?
We just did.
And you get out. So get out from the game. Get out from the game. Dude, get out from the game. Okay. 3, 2, 1. A glitch happened, and wait for me. Something is happening. Oh yeah. Where are you? Oh yeah, Danger Kid. Let's go, dude. Let's go. This time we'll team up.
Let's
VIP,
play
anti-MP.
SG4.
SG4? I joined the game. No, SG5, because there are so many players. And SG4, go to SG4. I joined SG4 by mistake. But no problem.
Come on. It's hard to be filmed. There's 2 players in your map. Team.
Epic or
Let's
something.
play team match.
No, dude.
Come on.
Joining map, just wait.
It must be 24.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you?
Oh, so yeah. Hello. What's up? I'm going crazy.
Let's team up.
Dude. Shut up. I think he's mining something, and I'm gonna mine too.
Look at me.
I'm gonna mine too.
I will be still with.
After 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Someone joined the game. Alexis joined the game. Funny name.
In the world.
3.
Person, please.
He's not real, dude. He's not real. Even that idiot.
Oh,
What just happened?
you saw him?
I saw who?
Someone. The electrician.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! You're invisible. And take this.
I haven't taken thing.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Everything is getting wrecked. Why? Why? Okay, that one, no, that one, no. I can't choose between that. Okay, never mind. No, go there. Okay, I don't have any sword. I have only armors.
Give me some.
Dude, follow me.
Where are you? Ah.
Behind you. Come.
I don't have any sword and empty thing. I don't have.
Dude, I'm gonna run because I can't be. You're no longer invisible. Uh-oh. Find a chest. Find the chest away from them. Just run.
I'm surviving.
Oh gosh.
I'm only spawning in a place.
What's-
I am spawning.
Dude. I need them.
Ah! I think a thing. Why? Oh, save the time.
Shut up.
Why am I not playing?
Dude, shut up. I'm playing. Who just hit me? Oh, guys, I think my brother is not playing, so
I'm about to play.
he got out and let's make a park. Okay, and it's just me only, and I need to get up. Okay, and gosh, I need a chest. I need to find a chest. As fast as I can. Okay. I can't talk anymore. I can't take it anymore. I don't have any sword, but I can craft a sword. Wait. Oh gosh, 5 survivors left. I'm one of these 5. So let's go. Let's go and look at dope. I'm trapped. No! I'm trapped. And I've got no blocks. I'm just trapped. I'm just trapped. Oh gosh. I'm breaking and I've got no sword, so goodbye. Oh gosh! Wait a minute. I know what to do. I'm mining. I'm just mining. I'm mining. And never mind. I'm mining. I'm just singing. My favorite? No!
You can't mine it, dude.
Never mind. I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh my gosh, somebody's coming. What a diamond sword. And he can. It's a girl. She's a girl. No, I'm scared. I'm almost. Yes, I'm out. Jackpot, nigga. Oh. No! She just... No. Oh gosh. No, I've got nothing. I died. I died. I just died. Never mind. Teleporter. Okay. Thanks guys for watching and oh gosh, I know it's IP. Never mind. Thanks guys for watching and please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Goodbye.
Bye.